right? It's thermal.
Yeah.
Yeah, you need one for short range also. And then whenever,
Yeah, isn't the ACO scope for short range? Just like a red dot?
let me look at it. Well, that's just a like a holographic or a red dot, but an RCO you can change between the dot and the and a scope that's on it. It's only 100. RCO you have a scope and a dot on it. It's only $150. Do you have the money?
Yeah, what is it called?
RCO.
I got one.
Enemy in the area at the gun store. Leica. Mason, drag the RCO on there right now. Do the dot scope. Garrett, do you copy?
Yep.
Mason, I mean Leo. Enemies right at the gun store. Mason, to your right.
Oh, he's right next to you, Mason.
Good
Yeah.
job, Garrett. Mason, you cannot run out of the gun store. They will camp outside.
Okay, well I'm done. I'm down already. Do you guys not have a med kit?
Leo, I was saying that
I
the
do.
enemy
I'll
is
bring
here,
it over.
but he's down now.
Hey, can you crawl to me? And get me, Shadow, while Leo guards you?
No, listen.
I'll get him.
Hold on. Leo cannot hear you talking because he is not in our
Oh.
group.
Oh yeah. So there's an enemy out here somewhere?
I already took him out.
He just killed him after he shot you.
Oh.
Garrett killed the enemy. Enemies at the gun store. Enemy at the gun store. Tiberius, come back.
Where is the enemy? Like where
Looks like he's on the other side of the gun store by the plaza.
Leo, I need your
Careful when you turn
backup.
that corner.
Leo, I need your backup right now. Rush to the gun store, Leo. He's here.
He's sitting over by the ATM.
I got another one that's shot savage.
Is there another here? Make sure I don't revive the enemy here. Hold on. Rocket.
Thanks.
Smoke.
I think there was smoke so you couldn't see it.
Roger.
So Shadow, where do you wanna go?
I got it. I have to buy me an RCO scope.
No idea where that guy went.
See how much space I have. 3, 4, 5, 6.
Are we going out somewhere? Do something?
Yeah, where do you want to go?
Okay.
Shadow, I said we go back on that hill like we did that one day.
Mason. Enemy.
Found him, he's down.
Good shot.
I'm alive.
I thought he was dead already.
Good job. I see some money out in the field. I'm gonna go smash it up. Shadow, do you,
So
you
where are
want
we gonna
a
go?
thermal? Yeah, I saw a random pile of money out in the field. It was holding 12K.
Cool. I was in the gun shop. I couldn't voice chat, but yeah, I do. Awesome. I also want a bigger backpack if you find one.
I got you.
Do you guys want to go to the general store and go get one as a squad in this big armored vehicle?
Yeah, we'll probably hit over there. That's where they're all, they like,
Yeah, we should
fortified
like
it.
park the vehicle outside and try to snipe some because we have thermal scopes, so try to snipe some of them. Vehicle, is that ours?
Hey. Well, I'm watching our vehicle.
You guys want to go in two separate vehicles?
What are you doing right now, Jim?
Here's the vehicle. I don't think that was memory.
Hey Shadow, come on, let's go. Get a backpack.
Who had the vehicle?
I put it in your backpack, Shadow.
Oh, you did? Okay. Hey, we needed this gun right here as a backup. Let me throw it in the truck.
Oh, wait, never mind. You won't let me put it in your backpack. Here, I'll just-
Yeah, just put it in the truck. I'll get it in a second.
Oh, shit. Car.
Hey, let me grab some more ammo real fast. I want to empty it and put it in the truck. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. Stop.
I know, I know.
Can you turn the truck off so we can hear people? Friendly coming in.
I was just trying to make it so I wasn't gonna hit a tree because I couldn't see through the over the trees.
Nice job, Wall.
Maybe I am, son.
Alright guys, it's 3:30 in the afternoon. In the game.
Yeah.
Hey, you gonna get in, Garrett?
No, some other guy got it. Oh no, shit, this holds a lot of people. Maybe it's everyone.
Whoever's driving, just park me a little, like as soon as we're about to drive to beaches, just drop me off and I'll walk in.
I think we're all gonna get out there and just go on foot, aren't we?
Hey, where did
Yeah,
where did?
makes sense.
Okay, well this machine gun I picked up only has one mag, so it's just a backup, I guess.
Does it use 6.56 or whatever? I
7.62.
have like 45
No,
Oh.
it's a drum mag.
There might be a gun in this vehicle. Did you check?
I already have a gun. This was a backup gun I got off the ground. I have a Lynx. I forgot my close range scope. Maybe I won't need it.
Are you guys ready for this fucking firefight?
I think you should
Do you guys
go
want to come from the north, southeast, or west?
left, south.
Oh, shit.
Or you can't break this vehicle.
Hey, not far from here is where I got blown up a few minutes ago.
What do you mean, where we gunned down? I was...
Mason, set a waypoint where it says go here. Turn left. Go straight.
What? Turn right?
No. Set a waypoint where it says
You want
go
me to keep
here.
going left?
Set a waypoint where it says go here.
It's on the map.
Set a waypoint for what?
On the map.
If you look at the map, you can set a waypoint where he marked it.
You guys want to go on foot from there into Agios or whatever?
Yeah. Still playing easy. What are you doing now?
Nothing.
Do you guys want to get out now? Or...
Look at the map.
Oh!
Set
I
a
know.
way.
Gianna said she was going to bitch.
Where's she going?
Yeah, right now though.
Alright, Mason, let me look at the real surroundings because I'm not sure if this is too far or not. Let me see where everything is. Okay, this is 200 from my sniping position, so this is probably pretty good.
Yeah. And from your sniping position, I think we'll be within... I guess in 800 meters.
Alright.
They're about 800 meters out.
We're about 850 from the general store.
Yep.
Who's the leader?
I am. Yeah, I'll promote you to leader to make it easier.
Roger. I don't mind you leading, I just